Essential Hot Tubs SS115220300 Arbor 20 Jet, Cobblestone. The Essential Hot Tubs Arbor Spa is your own at-home oasis. This spa gives you luxury in a durable unit with a low-maintenance, impact-resistant exterior. All 20 stainless steel jets are powered by a 2-speed energy-efficient pump that allows you to have a quiet relaxing evening or melt away the day's aches and pains with the high-speed hydrotherapy setting. A digital backlit control unit allows you to customize your experience, setting the mood while you enjoy your spa with up to 5 other people. This rotationally molded spa is made from quality colored granite resin that features a fully insulated interior, allowing your spa to retain optimum heat from your all-season stainless steel heater all year long. Ready to go right away with its featured plug-and-play connection, this unit also gives you the option to convert to 240V electrical unit, which will allow your heater to perform at its maximum even during the coldest of winters. The Arbor Spa also comes with a heavy-duty, insulated tapered cover with locking clips that allows you to easily and comfortably close your spa while not in use. 20 stainless steel jets, contour style seating for up to 5 people, 1 kW/4 kW true all-season stainless steel Balboa heater plug-and-play connection, GFCI cord included, heavy-duty insulated tapered cover with locking clips. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.